Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel once again. And in this video session, I will continue with the open query file command. So basically to create an ODP and share it with the RPG programs so that we should process only a set of records. So basically what we have created this much videos, and we are demonstrating different functions that we can use with the OpenQuery command. Query result selection query expression selection query selection expression parameter, that is the similar to the where clause in SQL. So this time we'll be using the contains function with the OpenQuery command. So let me show you. So we'll declare the file pf1. So this pf1 is having this much record. So what we'll do is just remove this variable, this is not required. So we are just overriding this file with share star yes, and then creating the ODP with this query. So that this ODP can be shared with this calling program called program, and then the ODP deleted and then override deleted. So this is the ODP where I am selecting the query, the record from file pf1, and this is the query where employee name contains, so star ct is used here, and that contains 3. So for character, double enclosed within double quotes, and the whole expression enclosed within the single quotes, and the open ID is A here. So employee ID name contains 3. So let me just query this file. So you can see contains 3. There are 2 records, that is employee ID 3 and 4, that meets criteria. So I want these to be part of the ODP and to be processed by the RPG program only. Other records will not be part of the ODP and won't processed. So let me show you. This was the RPG program. We are just reading the file, declaring the file, reading the file, and displaying the records in the loop. Whatever the records are the part of the ODP, that will be displayed. This is already compiled. Let me compile this one. This is also compiled. strdbg. Set the breakpoint here. Just wait. Then call this just to work job to see no ODP created for pf1, no override. Just this override happened and this ODP. So you can see the ODP is created, the override is there, and then go to this one. This will read the file for employee ID 3, name 3. So you can see the name contains 3 and 9. Now this time employee ID will be 4. You can see employee name ends with 3, contains 3, and this is 9. There is no further records in the part of the ODP as per the selection criteria here. So this will now close the ODP and delete the override. So you can see for job 14, the ODP is deleted and the override is deleted too. So this way you can use the contains functions with the query selection expression parameter of the OpenQuery command to create an ODP and use that in your RPG program. So that's all in this video. Thank you.